Using and in sentences is a common way to connect two or more ideas, items, actions, or clauses to show that they are related or that they occur together. Here are some guidelines on how to use and effectively in sentences. Connecting similar ideas or items. I like both chocolate and vanilla ice cream. She enjoys reading novels and watching movies. Joining two independent clauses. I went to the store and I bought some groceries. He studied hard for the exam and he got an A. Adding more items to a list. We need to buy eggs, milk, bread, and butter. The party will have music, dancing, games, and food. Combining actions or events. I woke up early and I went for a run before work. They cooked dinner together and then they watched a movie. Linking adjectives or adverbs. She is a kind and generous person. He sings beautifully and passionately, indicating a sequence of events. First, we will prepare the ingredients, and then we will start cooking. He finished his homework, and afterward, he went to bed. Joining phrases or clauses within a sentence. The weather was hot, and we decided to go to the beach. She worked hard, and as a result, she achieved her goals. Remember that, and should be used to connect similar or related elements within a sentence. It is important to maintain parallel structure when using and to connect items in a list or clauses within a sentence. Parallel structure ensures that the connected elements are grammatically consistent. Example of parallel structure in a list. She enjoys swimming, hiking, and biking. Example of parallel structure in clauses. He wanted to go to the park, and she wanted to go to the mall. Avoid overusing and in a sentence, as it can make your writing repetitive. Use other coordinating conjunctions like but or nor so for, and yet when appropriate to add variety to your sentences.